Here's an LG Stylo 4, and here's a picture of it. Yeah, the screen's completely busted. First you need a suction cup to take off the back. This is really easy for me because I already did it. There's adhesive on the back, and this will take quite a bit of strength to get off. Now we're going to have a ton of screws connected to this plastic part right here. We're going to take them all off. Now we can remove the plastic part to show the motherboard. You can see all these connectors right here, and we're just going to remove them all. This is the camera. Take that out. Battery. Screen. And charger. Always make sure to remove the SIM card. Now we can take the motherboard out. Here it is. Now you need to remove the battery. This was the hardest part for me as it had a ton of glue on the other side. I recommend heating the screen of the phone to get the battery off. Now you can remove the charger port by just pulling up on the little tab here. This is the screen right here, and it is covered by the speaker. So let's take that off. Now we have access to our screen. Now if your screen is shattered, you can literally just put a screwdriver through here and bash it through, and this will remove the screen from the surface. You want to make sure there's no gloss on any of the edges because this will shatter the new screen that you put on there. From here, just put your screen on and connect everything back up. And connect all the ribbon cables. Be careful because some of them are really fragile. I like to keep my devices super easy to open, so I'm not even going to put the screws back. And if it works, it should power on. There we go. Awesome. You probably want to glue it on the screen, but I'll do that later. You can use Gorilla Glue. Thanks for watching, I'll see you guys next time.